Hello guys, so today we are going to see five exciting extensions of VS Code. So here is the first one is GitHub Copilot. So let's go to our VS Code and here you can see here if I want to type anything like I want to create any function like this, then here we are getting no suggestion. So to enable that you have to go to here in the extension and here just search like Copilot and you will find Copilot and you will find this one GitHub Copilot. Click on here and just click here. You will be seeing like install. So just click on install. I have already done, so here I have disabled for some purpose. So just click on enable, then it will be enabled. And if it here if it doesn't work, then we need to reload it once. So I just reloaded it and now I hopefully now it will work. So what, just wait a second. So yeah, so now if I write here like print and I want to write something, so you can see here it is automatically suggesting something like hello world. I just press tab, then I can see it is showing another suggestion. So this is our one first extension. Now let's go with the second one is the error lens. So here you can see in this example, if I remove this this colon, and so now you can see here it is showing some error like it expected colon. And when I can show you other example, like if I remove this letter T from here, then you can see it is showing like print is not defined. So to enable this type of messages in your VS Code, just here search error lens and click on this error lens and just install it. And after install, once again you need to reload your VS Code, and then you can find that you will be getting error like messages. So like when we fix this issue, then the error will be gone. Now let's go with the other extension. So this extension is Tokyo Night theme. So just search here in the extension, just search Tokyo Tokyo Night and select this and just install. And in Tokyo Night there are multiple themes, so you can choose anything. I have chosen Tokyo Night dark theme. So let's go to the other extension, that is tab out. So you have faced many times like you write something like print f or anything, and you want to like here I written like this is my first Python, like anything program, and now I want to come outside of these codes and the close bracket. So what we will do, normally we use arrow key to move, but by using this extension called tab out, this one, so when you install this, after installing you need to reload your VS Code. Then what happen is like you can just click on tab to move. So see, I am pressing tab after the codes and it is going outside of the code. Then once again if I tap, then it is going outside the close bracket. So this is helpful extension. Next one is next one is Thunder client. So if you are working with the backend stuff and you need to check your APIs, so at the time you have option for the Postman and the other, but if you don't want to go outside of your VS Code, then simply you can use like Thunder client. So this one, so just click on and install it. So how it so after installation you have to reload your VS Code. And how it works, like after installing you will see like here you will get an extension is added to here. So just click on that, then you can see all the like here you can create the new request. So just click on that, and you can see it is same as Postman. So you can same thing whatever you do in Postman you can do here. So it is good extension while using VS Code. So thank you for watching.